It's been a while since I used this Chinese diesel heater. Sort of forgot how to use it. Let's see if I remember. Positive and negative to the battery. Okay, it's been a while since I used my diesel heater. I'd ever use it to prime it. You have to press these two buttons. H off, click the top button, and you can hear a little pump sound, clonk, 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 and it's priming. It's just flashing on with that little clonk sound. If you come over here, you'll be able to see priming. It's pumping the diesel. Clonk, 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 clonk. It's pumping the diesel, priming it. So when you buy these brand new, you've got to prime it. So that's the way to prime them to get them started. It'll take a while to prime, so I'm going to switch off here. Okay, while it's priming. Okay, the priming stopped. I'm going to click OK. Once you've clicked on OK, I'm going to press the start button, and that's it. It looks like it's starting. You got this little flashing at the bottom there. That's sort of starting up. So leave it running for a bit just to see how long it takes. As you can see, the smoke starting to come out now. So look, see if you can see the smoke coming out. The exhaust. Okay, so it's still going. The priming, is the smoke coming out now? Or the smoke from the priming starting up? Yeah, there it goes. So the smoke disappears once it's warmed up a bit. That's all the smoke from the diesel priming in it. Okay, so let's have a look at the actual. See, it looks like it's going now. Can't feel any heat coming out yet. I just cut this off here. It's like it's turning up a bit now. See the smoke clear out in a bit. This smoke only turns up when it's primed. If you prime it, you get all this smoke out a lot. Once you've done this, the smoke will disappear. The fumes. I feel like lovely and warm now. It's lovely and warm coming out there. There's some heat coming out there now. Let's just wait for the exhaust pipes to clear out. Lovely heat coming out. It's lovely heat. It's nice and hot. Nice and like that. You see the smoke starting to clear out a bit now. Yeah, it's still running, just another start again. As you can see, the smoke's all gone now. So you're getting a lot of heat from the exhaust, and that's blowing out really hot there. Let's have a look at what temperature we run here. Quickly zoom in, see if you can see the temperature. Click on this, you can see we're at 9 degrees. Obviously just control your temperatures. So, you know, pump it up to 35, blah, 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 yeah, all the way 35. That's coming out scalding hot. Bring the temperature back down, because that's scalding. So bring the temperature back down, pressing the down button. Back down to, and that's at 9 degrees, but that's nice and warm that. Okay, so just watch that for a bit to see if it's settled down. It's making a lot of noise. It seems to like prop turbo, making a lot of noise. The clicking, the pump on it. If you look at the pumping it out there, click, 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 click. So you see if it settles down once it's got warmed up a bit. Seems like it's settling down now actually. See, it's slowing down. So once you've got these machines up and running, they sort of settle into the main thing that they're doing. So it's all calming down now, trickling the diesel flow down to 9 degrees. So it's really ticking over now. It's gone really silent and it's just purring out the heat. So that's all going now. I'll come back over here. Zoom out again. So that's it now. It's all purring, quiet, 9 degrees, and the heat out of that's just lovely and warm. That'll fill your van up lovely. I'll have to install it one time, but yeah, that's how to get these things started. Just prime the thing. Once the clicking stops, press OK, and then press the start, and it up and running. That's it.